50% win rate, it does not mean that on 10 trades you're gonna win 6. You could lose 10 in a row, and
10 seconds.
It's a random distribution, and that's something we need to understand. And so I agree with what you were saying. Indeed, we need delayed gratification as well, and slow and progressive gratification. So
big move. Big move, yes.
All right, you got our ISM service PMI coming in at 53.5.
Oh, wow.
Factory orders 1.7%. That was the big one here. Service employment 53.98 had a 53.1 expectation. Service price paid 62.6. And next
Order
numbers,
filled.
we got durable goods here revised at 3.2. They're looking at 3.1. Doesn't really look too skewed here, but obviously the markets took effect here. Next number coming out here, we got a crude oil inventory at 9:30. Back to you, Dolby Time.
Wow, Eddie,
that's why it's important to know when numbers come out.
Yeah, no
right
kidding.
at that 11 level.
Right at the 11 level. Yep.
Guess what?
Also, what do you got?
The 10 a.m. candle got no bottom wick. So if we are to come down there,
Order
the
filled.
low of the opening range, there's a very nice short, because all the longs of today are gonna stops here or above. So let's see if this is a news candle that gets retraced like 80% of news candles.
Short jack?
Short one, yes.
Let's go.
Nice.
We're
I like that.
Earlier.
I like that.
Hell yeah. What's your position?
Short one ES 58.07 quarter. Yeah, you picked it up for it.
Nice. All right. Keep up. All right. So what? Do you have a downward target for this one? We doing diamond hands here, or just like maybe a little bit of salad hands for a base hit?
There was a lot of buying in that news candle.
I know, but look at
so
this,
if
though.
they,
Write
I mean,
that down.
if that was short covering, then yeah, then I really do like this short. But if that was some convinced buyers stepping in here, let's see. I want to see this close below 94 on this 3-minute candle here.
Yeah. I mean, still very much so in range. So if you pull up a 30-minute chart in the ES, I mean, we have maybe 58 15s down to 57 70s. So really tight 30-minute range. Jack, I have to applaud your short entry there. That is pretty good for a short through the lens of a range trader. Excellent trade. This is going to be a really good trade. This is going to be a really good trade.
Okay, we're not going to lose money on this.
Order filled.
Right, I took it off up 622.
Hey,
beautiful.
Let's go.
Order filled.
On base. House account is on base. Chat, did you have a trade on? Did you have a trade on during the news, chat? I hope you didn't. But if you did, I hope you're in the right direction, because it would have been very good. Otherwise, it was probably very bad with a lot of slippage. So if you had a trade on and didn't know the news was happening, please write that down in a journal. You don't want that to happen again. Man,
order filled.
Stuck in this range. House account is open. We don't have any
order
super important
filled
news unless you're trading crude oil, but we're not trading crude oil. So we are not going to worry about that, but we will report the news when it does happen, thanks to Eddie. Luke in chat. Let's walk through another range trade. I think that kind of was a range trade right there, to be honest. That was a really good range trade. Short the highs, 30-minute range, covered at about the middle. Very solid stuff.
2, 4,
count
4,
on base up
9,
622.
1, 4, 25.
Jack, what level were you looking at there?
I erased that.
So what happened was that, and that'll adjust to it. So after that number, there was the big spike. We had talked about earlier that 5810 level is pretty important for options.
Done for
That's
the
like
day.
the 5800 SPX.
Thank you kindly.
So that move stalled out up there. And when I saw it